Hi everyone. The goal of this video is to walk you through week 3 in our course, parts 1 and 2. So the first theme for part 1 is persistence and overcoming hurdles. So we're talking about how do you keep going when things get hard. There are going to be obstacles that pop up, and it's not necessarily the obstacle, but how you react to the obstacle that will help you be successful and move forward in the class. All right, so make sure you're always looking at the overviews each week so you know exactly what you need to do. And let's just walk through this module. So here are your readings for the quiz, as well as a couple other readings and resources that are helpful to you. You'll take the quiz. Remember the tips that I've given you in terms of printing out articles, reading twice, annotating them, and reviewing them before the quiz, also using them while you take the quiz to find the answers if you need to. Your mindful moment for this week is about paying attention to others and sort of getting outside your bubble. Make sure that you're answering all of these questions in your response and that you're meeting the rubric requirements so that you do get a good score. The assignment for this particular part of the week is about what to do when things happen that are unexpected. How do you deal with them? So basically what you'll do is choose a scenario. The scenarios are down here. And then in reaction to this scenario, what you'll do is you'll write a letter to a student facing this problem that answers these questions in detail. So just make it in letter format, dear, the person's name is there, and then sign your name at the bottom after you've answered all the questions. This week, we will have one of our major projects. It's worth 10% of your final grade in the class, so it's very important you get started now. Basically, you're going to make a video talking about your educational experience and sort of your goals and some strategies. So all the requirements are here. You can read through these. There are also a couple videos about how to submit your presentation and how to do captions. Okay? My example is here at the top. The next page in this module then gives some student examples, a variety of them, so you can be creative if you'd like in terms of how you do this. This is not due on Thursday, but I put it in the first half of the week so that you got started on it early and you submit it by Sunday. All right, so in the second part of the week, we're talking about wellness, and this is so important as a person in general in life, but also as a student to manage stress and get through your classes. So there is a quiz on this week's readings. We also have a discussion in the second half of the week about staying healthy and a Breaking Bad Habits assignment. When you do this assignment, you will have to, there's a reading in the readings for this week that you'll take a look at. Then you'll identify a bad habit that you have. You'll figure out the cue, reward, and routine. And then you'll type that sentence into that box. And then have a paragraph reflection on the exercise itself. If you want extra credit, you can write your sentence somewhere and place it where you'll see it often. Take a photo of it and just upload it onto Canvas, and I'll give you some extra credit. Okay, so then looking at the module, the only other thing then is the snapshot presentation that you'll want to submit by Sunday. This is just a reminder that you will have this assignment due on June 14th. I know that some of you have already met with the counselor or your visit is coming up, so I just want you to have this assignment so that you can do it immediately after your appointment and get it done, and then you'll submit it at a later point. All right, have a great week, everyone. Let me know if you need anything.